Oh, brother, she is wore out. Let's change it. Step one, back it off. I've already got it backed off. Got the wheels off, obviously. So, drum. All right, as you can see right here, this is 1/4 of an inch. That is the least amount of pads that the DOT allows. Once it gets to that line, it's a shutdown, right? A violation. This one got a little bit closer than we like, but it's still in spec, so it's all right, but I am going to replace it. So that's what that line is for, to tell you that you need brakes. All right, I keep it pretty simple. Flathead screwdriver, hammer, break them loose, down, up. That's how easy it is to take them off. Don't forget to replace these, otherwise the internet will be mad at you. All right, so we used Meritor brakes. We buy them a pallet at a time, because that's how much we use. So I always set them up like that. Open up my bag. Remember, replace these, otherwise the internet will be mad at you. These are our anchor pins. I put them in first. Hammer. 1 tap if you're good, 2 taps if you're a newbie. Roller and the roller lock. They go right there like that. Very simple. Sorry for the background noise. In the woods, they don't stop for nobody. Especially a fancy influencer like me. So this is our big spring. I put them together like that. All right, so this is how I put my brakes on. One thing I always do is clean my S-cam where my rollers go. All the mud and dirt. I put the top on first, then I put the bottom on. Get it in place. I always hook the bottom and use my body weight to push down, and it just goes right in. A good luck tap for measure, and then you put your old wore out drum back on. But I got another trick that I'll show you about these drums. What you do to make the internet not mad at you for putting an old drum on: spray paint that joker black, and nobody's ever gonna know that it was an old used drum. You ain't even got to spray paint all of it, just the face of it and then the back of it, and people will never know. Anyways, I'm gonna put the wheels back on, and we're gonna call this job done. Always remember, clean up your trash. It's your responsibility. Don't let other people pick up after you. Anyways, see you on the next one. Love you, bye. Call your family, tell you love them.